Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a line graph to plot your calorimeter data that is part of your Beadwood Lab experiment. So one of the section, I provided you with some quantitative data and is asking you to create a graph, right, using either Excel or Google Sheets. I know not everybody has Excel on the computer, but Google Sheets is actually free, and you can just open your browser and you can type in Google Sheets, okay? And then you can just click on um, the Google Sheets here, sign in, and it would open up like a brand new sheet for you, okay? So what you need to do is you need to key in the data with the titles. So for example, you would type in temperature here, and then don't put RT here. RT is room temperature, right? So whatever room temperature you measured on the day of your experiment, that's the number that you're going to put here. And then you just key in the data. You don't have to key in the degrees Celsius, okay? You can just key in 40, 50, 60, so on and so forth. And then you're going to have the title for percent absorbance of green light in this box. And you would just copy these numbers and type it in as well. Okay, so I'm not going to do that part for you. I mean, I want you to do that yourself. So I have some like fake data here for something else. Okay, like I just make these up, right? Hours spent studying and the test score. So suppose I want to plot this on a line graph. It's actually very simple. You click on the boxes and you highlight them. And you want to go to Insert and choose Chart. And there, like 90% of the work is done already, right? Like you can zoom out a little bit to see the entire graph. Let me see how to zoom out here. We're just gonna go with 75%, for example, there. That's the graph with the title, right? With the axes, right? So make sure that on yours, it is gonna be absorbance on the y-axis and temperature at the bottom. And you're gonna have to put the unit for the temperature as well, right? Not on the numbers on the axis, but like in your title, right? You should tell me it's degrees Celsius. And so you don't see a line yet. That's because over here in the chart type, it says scatter chart. So you should be using a line graph like this. The advantage of using a line graph is it will allow you to predict trends. Right? We can do interpolation. That is, suppose someone studied for 2.5 hours. What do you expect the test score to be? Like, of course, this is just a hypothetical situation, right? But like in the lab, right, we did 60 degrees and 70% with a line graph. You can kind of guess where the absorbance is going to be at, say, 65%, right? So using a line graph it's more suitable than, say, using a bar graph, right? So if you want to edit the text, you can just double click them and change the typing as you see fit. And all you have to do now is copy this. You can click on it and you can press Control C if you're on PC, and on Mac, I think there's also a copying function. Or you can just go here, right? Like click on copy. Okay. You copy that and then you go to your lab report and you paste it in the box. Now it looks really, really big, so you have to resize it accordingly, okay? So make it fit and just drag on the corners and then shrink it down until it fits. And that's it. That's how you get your 4 marks, all right? If you have any question, feel free to email me, but it should be pretty straightforward. Okay, now you know how to graph. Thanks for watching.